Hey everyone, I'm here to kind of walk you through how to do our ads for Yearbook this year. I know it's a little bit different and a little bit confusing for those of you that have done them in the past. We are with a new yearbook company. We went with LifeTouch this year. So one of the differences is that you can't actually make the ads in the yearbook application anymore, which we did not realize until we already had signed a contract and switched over. So sorry for any confusion, but we have gone ahead and gotten a membership to like a third party company that we can make the ads through. So we've gone ahead and done that. In this email is the login and password for that. So you should be able to access it, but I'm gonna kind of give you a step-by-step on how to make your ad, just in case you need a little help or a little confused on it. I think it's really easy. I do kind of do this for a living, so hopefully it's easy for you. I've heard from other people that have actually used the same website that they find it easy as well. So we are going to open up and go to pickmonkey.com. I'm already logged in, so just use the login and password that we've sent to you. What we're going to be doing is a collage. So if you will just click on collage and wait for it to come up. All right, so the really, really important thing here is to get the correct size. So based on the size ad that you have purchased, I have also included what these numbers need to be. So what the dimensions of your ad need to be. Super important. If it's not correct, then I cannot use the ad in the yearbook. So let's go ahead and pick a format layout first. There are a ton of different ones. Just keep in mind we're going to be changing the sizes. So what you're seeing will change based on the side that we update it to. I'm going to do a jigsaw because I want to have a few pictures. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead up to images and add some images from my computer. I'm just going to use some family photos that we did this year for Christmas. And click a few of them. Okay, so 4. I'll pick 4 pictures. There are more spots than that, but I'll show you kind of what we need to do with that in a minute to create a great ad for you. So just take your photos, drag and drop. You can also edit, move around. Put that little cutie pie there. Here. Perfect. We'll go there. All right. Perfect. Now, if you want to edit your photos, go ahead and click on the edit button. And you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just going to fill the cell. Depending on how many pictures you put, the size of your photos, the size of the square that you're putting it into, you're gonna have to change your photo a little bit and edit it to make it fit properly. So just keep that in mind. And then another great tool before you move on from this section, there's swatches. I haven't really played with this a lot, but you can do like a background swatch. I've done this, which I think looks really nice, is do like a background color that kind of works well with your photo. So I just take a color sample from the photo and make a background from it, and it all looks pretty cohesive. One thing that you'll need to do before you move on is change the size, and this is going to change your picture format. So let's go with a quarter-page ad right now. So I'm going to change the dimensions, and you need to unlock this little key, otherwise it's going to keep it as a square. So we need to be able to fully change the dimensions. So unlock that. I've got 995 there and 1336 here. Perfect. Okay, so look, these all fit great now. Perfect. Once you change those dimensions, you might have to change your pictures a little bit. They might be wider or tighter, so go in and change those so that they look good. So now that I have my pictures and my background, I can move on. And this is where you want to go to send to editor. This is going to allow you to add text, which is why I left these boxes blank so that I could add some wording there, like stickers, all different things. Export to editor. Perfect. So these are all your options on the side. You've got like frames, textures, themes, templates. You can actually touch up the photo if you so choose. I really like to keep things simple. So for me, I would just do a text. So click on the font that you want, add text. You'll see it pop up here. And type in what you want. So, congrats, Miles. We are so proud of you. XO, mom and dad. All right. So, in order to move this, you've got to like click off of it, and then you can start moving it around. Then this is where we're going to come into playing with our sizes so that we can fit everything. There we go. Perfect. And then click on there. Maybe there's like an overlay or a sticker that you want. I don't know. I'm not real into that stuff, but maybe you want to add a heart. I don't know. You can add a heart there. Just click through these and see kind of what you want to add. The options are endless. Have fun with it, but I would also caution against going crazy since it's already in like a busy yearbook. So I like clean and simple, but if you want to add a few things to it, great. Once you are all done with everything that you want to do, you're going to head up to export. I'm going to name this yearbook ad and then my last name, which will be important for you guys. Please add your last name on here just so I can keep track of everyone. Make sure I've got ads for everyone that has purchased one. So please, yearbook ad, last name. Great. Dishman. Done. For quality, I would go ahead and make it the best quality possible. That's just going to give us the most options with our yearbook and printing. If you have the option to make it the best, then go ahead and make it the best. I'm going to export to my computer. Done. And then just send that file to me at CK8Yearbook.com. Let me know your name, and then I will check it out and make sure that the ad is paid for, you've got the right size, and if I have any problems, I'll contact you. If you have any trouble walking through this, feel free to reach out to me at that CK8Yearbook.com, and I will try and help you as best I can. And thank you so much for bearing with us. I know this is different in years past, but hopefully this works out for everyone, and I really look forward to creating an awesome yearbook for your kids. Thanks.